What if I told you the first astro watch station wey dem ever build for dis world, wey senior stone age, senior pyramid dem dey for Africa? Not by kings, no be empires, na just normal everyday pipo wey dey live for desert middle run am. Today, billion-dollar telescopes search for planets millions of light years away, but thousands of years ago, ancient Africans were already studying the skies with astonishing accuracy. And here is sweet, their work still lines up perfectly with the stars today. Na the tori of ancient African astronomy be dis, and the forgotten genius of Nabta Playa. Most history books credit the beginnings of astronomy to ancient Greece, Mesopotamia, or maybe the Babylonians. They paint Africa's role in science as small or secondary. But history get as they hide better gist for where everybody dey look. Make we press rewind go back 5000 BC. We dey talk about 7000 years back. Dat time Sahara no be the dry, endless sands wey you dey see now. E bin dey green, e get water, river dey flow, grass full everywhere, cow dem dey chop life. In southern Egypt, near the Sudan border, a group of cattle herders chose a special spot, a shallow basin in the desert, and began arranging stones. Some stones small like your hand length, others tall pass some human beings. If you no sabi, e go just look like dem scatter stone anyhow for cycle. But if you stand in the right place at the right time of the year, the magic happens. The stone align with the summer solstice, wey be the longest day for year. Others point to specific stars, Orion's Belt and Sirius. Why does that matter? Because these stars were essential for making seasons, predicting rainfall, and planning survival. This was science in its purest form. Ancient African astronomy not as entertainment, but as a lifeline. Archaeologists name the place Nabta Playa. Dem jam am for 1970s. Na one team wey Fred Wendoff lead. At first, dem no even dey sure of wetin dem dey look, but as they studied it, they realize this site is over 1000 years older than Stone Age in England. Reason am well, when world never sabi farming well, these desert herders don dey build correct astro calendar with stone. If dis story dey sweet you, abeg press that like button. E go make more people discover dis kind gist. The alignments at the Nabta Playa are so precise. Even modern scientists don confirm say e still dey work. Dem believe say dis knowledge waka go Egypt in the olden days. Na im make Egyptians arrange temples and pyramids wey dey match star level. Some researchers even suggest Nabta Playa might be the missing link in understanding how early African civilizations transitioned from nomadic life to organized agriculture-based societies. And see better thing here, this knowledge no hide. Dem share am, remix am, join am for the culture of plenty civilizations dem. Here is the twist. Nabta Playa wasn't built by an empire with armies and architects. Na just ordinary cattle herders build am. No palaces, no gold, just a deep connection to the land, the sky, and the rhythms of nature. And yet, their work is so advanced that some researchers compare its precision to modern astronomical instruments. Na so with only stone, human eye, and careful observation, dem map heaven. E go make you reason say, what else have we underestimated about ancient African civilizations? If people 7000 years ago could track the stars so perfectly, what other knowledge have we lost or ignored? And here we dey keep historians awake. Nabta Playa fit no be the only one. There could be other ancient African observations buried under the sands, waiting to be found. And the next one could rewrite history again. Nabta Playa no be just stone wey form cycle for desert. Na proof say ancient African astronomy help lay science foundation as we sabi am today. It's a reminder that genius is not limited by time, technology, or geography. And it's a reason to look at Africa's past with pride and curiosity for what we have yet to uncover. Because the stars may be far away, but the story of how we learned to read them might be closer to home than you think. Make you subscribe to Archive Gist if you want to get hidden tori every week. You feel say African olden science dey get the respect wey e suppose get? Make we hear your opinion for comment section. And remember, history is not just what we were told, it's also what we discover.